Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. There is another video in calculus, particularly on the topic work in pulling rope or cable to certain level. So here are the problems and I will just read them on the next slide. So here is the first problem. Heavy rope 60 feet long, weighs 1 pound per foot, and hangs over the edge of a building 150 feet high. How much work is done in pulling the rope to the top of the building? How much work is done in pulling half the rope to the top of the building? So let's focus first to the first problem. Let's have the figure. I'll present two solutions to this, so check the answer by integration. So this is the situation that's 60 feet, and from the bottom end of the rope to any point, the distance is y, thickness is dy, so that the tension just before this and just after would be the same. Since the rope weighs 1 pound per foot and the length below it is y, so that means the constant force is 1 pound per foot times the length y. So since work is equal to constant force times dy, and force is 1y, dy limits would be from 0 to 60. So work equals 1y, 1 pound per foot times y feet. So that's the force dy, 0 to 60, and integrating, that's very easy, 1,800 pound per foot. So the alternate solution is the center of gravity of this rope is here, and the distance of the center of gravity to the top of the edge, top of the building is 30 feet, half of 60, and that is the weight of the rope, which is 1 pound per foot times 60, and distance 30 feet. Distance of the center of gravity to the top of the rope. So it is 1 times 60, then times 30, so we'll have 1,800 pound foot, alternate solution without integration. Then for part B, how much work is done in pulling half the rope to the top of the building? There are two parts here. One is the force acting on the lower half is constant, so which is now 1 times 30, the lower half, 30 feet, and it should be moved a distance of 30, so 30 times 30. Then for the upper part, we have call this y. So again, the force is 1 times y. So the total force here would be 30 plus 1y. So work is integral of f dy from 0 to 30, where f is 30 plus y. Then that's differential y. 0 to 30, work therefore is equal to 1,350 pounds. For the alternate solution, we have constant force here 30, and it should move a distance of 30, so 30 times 30, then plus uh, the upper half is also 30 feet times 1, so 1 times 30, and the center of gravity is 15 feet above. So work is 1 times 30 times 30. That's for the first part. And the upper half, 1 times 30 times 15. So that's why the answer is the same, 1,350 pound foot. Then for 32B, a chain lying on the ground is 10 meters long and its mass is 100 kilograms. How much work is required to raise one end of the chain to a height of 6 meters? So the weight of the chain is 100 kilograms, then times 9.81 to make it newtons, and we equate it to the uniform weight of the rope times length of the rope, which is 10. So the uniform weight of the rope therefore is 98.21 newtons per meter. So for the figure, this is the situation. So 4 meters will still touch the ground, will lie on the ground, and this is the 6-meter length. So we have here the force on the upper, if we call this y, the force on the upper end, because the force should act here because it is to be lifted, and it is 98.1 uniform weight times length 6 minus y. So this is the force, then dy integrating work equals integral from 0 to 6, 0 to 6, this portion is 6 meters, of f dy, where f is 98.1 times 6 minus y. Integrating, that's an easy integrand to evaluate, just power formula 1766 joules or Newton meter. Likewise, the alternate solution is we have here chain 6 meters. The center of gravity is here. So the weight is 98.1 times 6, and the distance of the center of gravity to that level is 3. So work is 98.1 times 6, distance 3. You will get the same answer of 1766 joules. For 32C, a cable that weighs 4 pounds per foot is used to lift 1,200 pounds of coal up a mine shaft 600 feet deep. Find the work done. So let's have the situation. That's the situation there. We have a constant force here of 1,200, and it should be moved a distance of 600 feet. While for the second part, the tension in the rope total would be 1,200 plus uniform weight of the rope 4 pounds per foot times y. So work is integral of f dy. F is 1,200 plus 4y, limit 0 to 600. And that's easy to evaluate. Power formula, so it is 1,440,000 pound-foot. The alternate solution to this is it is 1,200 times 600 plus weight of rope, which is 4 times 600. The distance of its center of gravity to the top is 300. So 1,200 times 600 feet plus 4 times 600 times 300. So calculating, that's also 1,440,000 pound-foot. So that's it for this video. I hope that your knowledge in integral calculus is enhanced, particularly on this topic here about work done in pulling uh, a cable or a rope to certain level. And there is another way of solving that by this direct formula, force times distance.